when you look at implementing things like vending in certain instances where we can actually see in real time product being moved, that data becomes critical with the replenishment process, with the ordering process. So we can now look at, how long does manufacturing take to get product in, if there's secondary operations involved, what is that lead time to getting to our dock and then to our customer.
We do not charge our customers until they consume the product. There are other industrial supply companies that do vending machines that when they load the machine, you pay for it and you charge in there. It's not really fair, because if you're going to load a tray with 10 different cards of something, but they only use 2 a month, but you bill them for all 10 of those cards, I mean, come on.
Right.
It's gonna take you 5 months to use all those cards. I don't think that's very fair to the end user.
Having inventory there just in time all the time so that our customers don't have to have those capital dollars on the shelf. We will carry that burden, even if that means we have to carry some inventory. We never want you to run out. We never want you to have too much. We want it there just in time for you.
So one of the other benefits that we have with the vending machine is product security. So when you get a lot of consumables that come out of these vending machines, like the safety glasses, like the gloves, you start to get into some more expensive parts like router bits and drill bits. It's very easy for those parts to disappear off of job sites when they're not managed. The vending machines provide a measure of security for those parts to make it harder for them to walk off of the job, because users have their own individual pin that they plug into the keypad to vend the particular product. If there's a quality problem, if they're breaking that router bit, we know about it faster now. Instead of on our next visit, we can see when we get the daily reports, hey, this router bit was vended, 3 times. 5 bags of 100 in there, and that serves the manufacturer for a week. So all of a sudden your usage goes way down. Therefore, your cost goes way, the end user's costs go way down, and their profitability goes up. And if they also, again, need to be more competitive in their marketplace, they now have the ability to do that. It's a small bar to cross to justify having a vending machine on your floor. It's a very small bar to cross. It's not like you need to be writing, $1 million of business a year to justify a vending machine. You actually don't. You need a fraction of that. I would say if you have a production floor where you're manufacturing something and you have multiple people doing multiple manufacturing options, you're definitely a good, solid candidate to look at a vending machine. I would add this. The more people you have on your manufacturing floor and the more processes you're doing on your manufacturing floor, the more likely you are that a vending machine is a good fit. That I would say, for sure.